Right, hello once again YouTube, Andy with you with another little video. So this is like a video diary of what I did on this particular day. Just some things I've gotten up to. It just adds as a reminder to myself, my family and my friends, what I do, what I've done. And so this is basically what I did on this particular day. Right, the time is 0440 hours. We're in old money, 20 to 5. Right, so we're running out to Shrivenham, picking up Shrivenham, dropping Heathrow, and then I've got to run back a bit quick and pick up John from Highworth and take him to Ewan. We've got my car back. I haven't had it for about 4 or 5 days because I had the timing chain changed. Cost over £1,000 mine, but still the car is hopefully it's going to last me at least another year, because I have licensed it for another year. Yeah, it's good. Goes well. I've just done my Heathrow job, so
yeah, 5 o'clock, wasn't it?
yeah, it was pick up at 5, yeah, and take down. I stopped off to grab myself a bit of breakfast at the unmentionable place, which begins with an M.
Yeah.
Bacon roll, and had some orange juice as well.
Yeah, alright, that's good.
Bacon roll and orange juice, so there we go. Yeah, so there we go, car's back. Car's going well.
Yeah.
Feel better with it now. And what I do every now and again, at least once a week, is I get my little litter picker out and I just go down here and just pick some of the rubbish up. It just makes the place look a bit tidier, because if you leave it, it just seems to attract more rubbish. So by kind of doing this, it just makes the place look a little bit better, a bit nicer anyway. Yes, so can one man make a difference? Well, I suppose he can set an example, hoping that others will follow. Yeah. Anyhow, enough of that. I've got to service my car. Right. Take that off.
Right, said Fred, both of us together, one each end, and steady as we go. Tried to shift it, couldn't even lift it, we was getting nowhere, and so we had a cup of tea, and right, said Fred, give a shout for Charlie, up comes Charlie from the floor below. After straining, even and complaining, we was getting
right, we're on the homeward stretch now.
cup of tea, and Charlie had a think, and he thought we ought to take
We're all
on.
good. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Okay. Right, Stanton Park. Basically Cobby's favourite place. It's his happy place, and it's my happy place as well. This is my DJI Mini 2 drone. Great little machine. I really like it. Problem is it's broke. The gimbal's broke. I was out with it, and basically what happened was that it got low on battery, and when it gets low on battery it then goes to the home point. I was in the middle of the woods at the time, and it shot up in the air. It hit a tree or branches, and then it came crashing back down face first and buried itself in the dirt. And now we've got a broken gimbal. I'll show you what it does. It still flies, but the problem is with the gimbal, it just moves around all over the place. You might be able to see that, I don't know. Get some light on it. Right, so it's not supposed to be doing that. Yeah, right. What am I going to do next? Well, two options really, or three options. Option one, obviously get it fixed. 5 weeks and £220. Option two, get another one of these, brand new. These are about £400 just to buy the actual drone itself. Or option three is to upgrade to the DJI Mini 3 drone, which is coming in at about £700. With the Mini 3 drone, that's got a better camera on it. It's also got obstacle avoidance, which would be great. And also, it's got a Track Me mode on it as well. So when you're walking along, basically it will track you through the woods, through anywhere where you are. So I think I might be parting with some more cash and getting the new DJI Mini 3 drone. Okay, so there's a couple of options regarding the new Mini 3 drone, and I went down to my local Argos today, and I tried to buy one, but unfortunately they were completely out of stock of the Mini 3 drone and the other package, which is an upgraded one for $859. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do right now, because I tried to get one delivered the next day, but they're saying that they're not doing deliveries either, so I haven't got a clue what I'm going to do at the moment. Oh well, say goodbye. 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 This might well be the last time you see this drone ever, because at the moment he's not up to anything at all. Let's turn him off and put him to bed. There we go.